In the blanks of chapter number 14. Jamaluddin Afghani. First line: Jamaluddin Afghani, born in Dash and educated in Afghanistan, he traveled widely through the Muslim world and Europe. Done. Second paragraph, underline करते जाएं सब important lines को. Jamaluddin Afghani believed in pan-Islam dash united all the Muslims into a single community, the Ummah. Okay, blank number 2, underline these lines. Page number 66, Muhammad Abduhu. All the date of birth and death dates are important. You must learn it about the personalities. Number 3, dash whose revolutionary ideas made him leading Muslim figure, Muhammad Abduhu. Done. Then line number 2, 3, 4, underline. Come to the line number 5. Abduhu believed that while the Quran was immutable in its laws, the social aspects of Muslim life needed to be reviewed. This is described as dash ijtihad. This is the first paragraph. Now to second paragraph, first line underline. Now come to the third paragraph, blank number 5. Muhammad Abduhu finally became a Grand Mufti and a member of Supreme Council of Dash University in Cairo. Al-Azhar. Underline these two lines. Blank number 6. Abduhu died in Egypt in Dash 1905. 6 blanks हो गई. Now come to the blank number 7. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar was a writer and a courageous dash journalist. Blank number 8. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar started the famous weekly magazine called Comrade to awaken Muslim politically. Comrade underline करें. Underline these 3 lines. Now come to the page number 67. First paragraph. First line. In the Battle of Dash, some 6,000 soldiers, including Muslims, were captured by Turks. Underline these lines. Underline these lines. Then underline these lines. Okay. Underline these lines as well. All the infos are important. Underlines. Write this. B. Amma real name was Abadi Begum. Now turn the page. Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal, underline. Allama Iqbal, 1877-1938, underline. First paragraph, first line, underline. Second paragraph, first 2 lines, underline. Third paragraph, first 2 lines, underline. Now come to the on the third paragraph, fourth paragraph. He joined Muslim League in 1927. He को कट करके Allama Iqbal लिखना है. Blank number 10. That's all. In this chapter you have just 10 blanks. Underline these lines. Okay. Page number 69. Page जो last paragraph है Allama Iqbal का till his death. Underline these 3 lines. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Underline these 4 lines. Then second paragraph. Come to the second paragraph. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines underline करें. चौधरी रहमत अली डाइड इन इंग्लैंड इन फरवरी 1951. इसको भी अंडरलाइन कर दें. ठीक है. थॉरो रीडिंग is the must and the key factor for your CBTs and your objectives, so you must do it. Okay, now come to the copywork. Okay ji. History section, chapter number 14, National Unity and Freedom Movement. Question number 1, what is meant by ijtihad? Question number 2, who and when started the Khilafat movement? Question number 3, which magazines were launched by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar? Question number 4, what did Jamaluddin Afghani think was required for Muslims to succeed in the modern world? Question number 5, who was Muhammad Abduhu and how did he influence the Muslims? Question number 6, what was Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar will? What did this mean? Question number 7. In what way did Allama Iqbal's view about Muslim influence their destiny? Question number 8. Describe Chaudhry Rahmat Ali's contribution to Pakistan. Okay, 10 blanks and 8 questions must write on the copy. So okay, Allah Hafiz.